Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to use LogRocket Guide for Session Replay and Analytics. So first things first, go to logrocket.com and sign up or sign in for an account. Now after you sign in, you will be directed here. As you can see, they are having issues. So I will just explain for these three, because in here there are no issues. So for home, this is the main dashboard showing an overview of sessions, errors, and activity trends. While here on session replay, it is the core feature of LogRocket. It records real user sessions. You can watch how users interact with your site, like clicks, scrolls, and navigation. Now here on the issues. Automatically logs JavaScript errors, failed network requests, and UI problems during user sessions. It is useful for developers to debug in context by watching what happened before the error. Now on the feedback. It lets you collect user feedback and tie it directly to the user session replay. Helps understand the why behind frustration or praise. Now on the dashboards. Create custom dashboards to monitor KPIs like performance metrics, user behavior, or error rates. And you can create your first dashboard by customer success, performance monitoring, feature usage, conversion rate, user experience monitoring, or you can add a new custom dashboard. Now for analytics tool. Here on all charts, it is the visual data dashboards for tracking metrics like loading time, conversion rate, etc. And you can add by clicking on this Add Chart button. Now here in the time series, it displays data over time. For example, daily active users, error spikes, etc. Now, on the table, it is a tabular view of analytics, filterable by properties and time ranges. Here, you can add chart by clicking on this one again. Now, on conversion funnel, it tracks where user drop off during specific journey. For example, checkout process. Now, on path analysis, it visualizes the paths user take through your app. This is great for discovering common navigation patterns or bottlenecks. On the heat map, it shows where users click, scroll, or hover most often. Excellent for improving UX. We also have here session playlist and retention analysis. Now for settings, you can configure the team access, integrations, and data retention. Now on definitions, you can customize event definitions, filters, and tags for clearer analytics. So this LogRocket view is focused on analyzing user behavior through session recordings, diagnosing issues, and leveraging insights to improve product usability and performance. Each tool on the left supports either replay, diagnostics, or analytics, making it a powerful combo for developers, product managers, and UX designers. And that's basically it.